Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can delete apps on TCL phone. So, step number 1. Find the app that you would like to uninstall. Should this app be located on your home screen or on the app drawer, doesn't really matter at all. So once the app is found, for example, I'll go ahead and delete the Facebook app. Touch and hold edit icon or edit shortcut. Please pay attention not to press remove, since the only thing that it will do is remove the app shortcut from the home screen. It will not actually uninstall or delete the app from your device's storage. From here, go into the app info, and here you'll have an uninstall button which you need to press, then confirm. And that's it. The Facebook app in this instance has been uninstalled successfully. So, should you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.